Do you want to listen to music freely on stream like this? And this? Well, here's how to separate your music audio from your Twitch VOD to save you from mutes on part of your VOD or from potential copyright strikes. Side note, this is still subject to live strikes, however that is extremely rare and will usually happen to larger streamers doing something silly like streaming whole Avatar episodes. First, you want to make sure you have your music source set up. Then head over to Settings, Output, and enable Twitch VOD track. This is grayed out for me because I'm currently recording, but you just want to go ahead and enable it and click on track 2 and keep your audio track on track 1 and just click apply, and then you want to head over to your audio mixer settings. From here, track 1 is what your audience is listening to during the stream, and track 2 is what will get saved to the VOD. Usually you would have every source play for track 1. The only thing I don't have playing for track 1 is my music that I listen to. For your stream music, you just want to go ahead and deselect track 2, and then you're good to go. You can just click close, and now you can play whatever music you like, and then your VOD will be saved without the music. So you're free to save clips without the worry of mutes. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be glad to help. If you want to know how to get 2 music sources with separate audio, you can click the video on the end card right here, and I hope that you enjoyed the rest of your day.